Welcome back, folks. Let's get a little serious about retirement. I literally retired and was going nuts. Waking up at 4 o'clock every day for 20, 25 years, 30 years, and not having to go to work after retiring. I didn't know what to do with myself. Literally driving myself crazy. So, by getting out of the house and doing something, anything you love to do, gardening, fishing, hunting, walking, hiking, get out of the house. It's the best thing I ever done for me and my wife. I used to stay home and drive my wife crazy, even drive the dogs crazy. Fishing is a lot of fun. It's a way that I get out and escape and sit out in the sun and nature and enjoy the beautiful scenes down by the lake, and throwing in a few fishing lines to see what I can catch. And just imagine taking your kids or your grandkids down there and letting them hook into one of these carp. I mean, you just created a memory of a lifetime for them. They'll never forget it. So get out of the house, do something you love, and forget about the everyday stresses and just enjoy. Now let's go fishing. Got my 2 lines in the water with my pack bait and my corn. First day of September. Let's see what happens today. Carp! Carp! Another one for the books, guys. It's not a bad one. Here we go, boys. Catfish. Catfish.
I ended up catching one more carp right at the end of the night, and it was a beautiful evening down by the lake. Sitting on your couch is not gonna catch you a fish. Get out there and throw a few lines in the water. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.